This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the net and posts so you know exactly what failed. Begin at the top tape and center strap. Feel for torn stitching or frayed webbing. Once done, measure the center height, aim for 36 inches, and note any post looseness. Make sure to have an adjustable wrench, pliers, a replacement center strap or ratchet kit, and several zip ties on hand. This assessment saves time because you now prioritize the exact repairs rather than guessing parts while working. You'll remove the damaged center strap first so you can retension the entire net correctly. Use pliers or a wrench to loosen the clip or bolt. If hardware is good, reuse it, otherwise swap it out. Thread the new strap through the net center loop and attach it to the anchor on the court post, then take up slack slowly. Once attached, pull until the center reaches 36 inches, making sure the top tape stays level. If the net twists, unhook and reseat to balance tension. You finish by securing the top tape and confirming play-ready tension. Reinforce any loose stitching with heavy-duty tape or short zip ties every few inches. Once done, play a few light volleys to check sag and twist. If the center rises above or drops below 36 inches, retension the center strap incrementally. If the posts wobble or the anchor slips, stop and tighten base bolts or insert shims. This is the one key troubleshooting tip. Stable posts are critical, otherwise the net will never hold proper tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.